Hello everyone, so I welcome you to BlinkCharts.com. So first I will show you how to log in. You have to click in the sign in, then continue with Google, then whatever account you have used for account creation, you can just sign in using Google. And then for analyzing US stocks, you have to click here for US stocks, and then here we can see the stocks which have like this is based on our this is just based on algorithmic ranking. We have no human intervention here. So you can see these are the top stocks based on momentum or momentum score. So first one is SanDisk, then WDC, then Micron, then Ciena, which is also in the communication optical fiber, right? Then Seagate, which is storage company, Intel processor, Teradyne, also related to all these, the Lam Research, right? Then all these are, as we can see, all these are from mostly these are from the tech sector, right? AI tech stocks. These all are AI and tech stocks. So sector wise also you can select, right? Communication services, like this Google, electronics art. So we are using the S&P 500. So here using dashboard you can see, then so consumer staples, then everything will be ranked, and you can like also select the time frame. So let's select information technology, and then we can select what are the 1 month best stocks, then sorted by rank, right? Dell, this is the performance within 1 month. HP, then NetApp, this is 1 month performance, not whole year performance, as you can see, right? So here you can see the volume, RSI, everything, right? So using technical analysis, just this simple strength and momentum investing. So IBM, you can see that this is all based on 1 month, right? So you can choose different analysis time frame. So from 1 month you can use like say 5 years, right? 60 months. So in 60 months, SanDisk is the best for performing, then followed by WD, Micron, right? Ciena, the same names which are coming. So also chart view, you can also select to 60 months, right? So now let's apply the filter, sector filter. So here you can see SanDisk followed by, like, this is 60 month chart. This is new listing. Nvidia, you can see Nvidia actually is the company which started the whole AI tech rally, right? So Palantir, it also started, but now Palantir, you can see there's a downtrend, right? Broadcom. So this is the 60-month chart. Similarly, we can have a grid view for very fast viewing, for very fast scanning, right? So here you have to select US stocks, not Indian stocks. So then you can, from how many pictures you want to see in a single screen. 3 would be great, but you have to focus on the screen, right? So for video purposes, I'm selecting 2, right? Then I'm selecting the 60-month chart, right? Let it load. Yeah, so the whole purpose of BlinkCharts is to enable fast scanning of stocks, right? And we are already, like, you can see the volume activity here, right? So let's select these all are how many months chart? These all are 60 months chart, right? See here it will mention 16, it means 60 months, right? So you select 60M, and let's see the performance of 60M the last 6 months, which stocks have done good, right? Let's select it by rank. Okay, so in last 6 months, so here you can see SanDisk, STX, which is Seagate, right? So here you can see, just you have to scroll down and you will be able to find, right? See here, if you have some bad performer stock in your portfolio which is going down, which is a which is a negative momentum, like it is going down, right? So you can also like quickly check. And so this is how. So we can just review what happened in the last we will just quickly review what happened in the last month, right? Let's check last month. So Dell Technologies have given 65% return. HP. So a disclaimer which I am giving, a financial disclaimer, that please verify before investing. All the data may or may not be exactly correct, may not be exactly accurate, so you have to verify it before investing and consult your financial advisor before investing, before making any buy sell decision. We are not giving any buy sell decision. This all is for educational purpose, right? So in the last 1 month you can see the stocks: Dell, HP, NetApp, Best Buy, SanDisk, CDW Corporation, right? And if you want to see the chart, you can just go here and so you can see this there was a long down trend in this chart, and now it is trying to go up. So always, so this is for like chart viewing. So whole S&P 500 you can so this is in also in IT services. Okay, so also we can check the stocks which are not doing good in the last 1 month, just cracked. You can see Autodesk. Why Autodesk is not doing good? This downtrend, right? So ICE International. So this is how you can select the high performing stocks. You can create watch list here, right? So select US, then you can create a watch list, say US momentum stocks 1, created one. Okay, then this is active. Then here we can add US stocks. So suppose from here we will select, let's go to Quant Signals. So also, apart from Quant Signals, you can get the names here. So let's say we will select the time frame is 60 months. Okay, then we will select, say, 1 month time frame, right? Then as per our rank. Okay, so this stock is not looking good. I think this is just a, okay, it moved. So these lines I will explain. So this is, here it is mentioned that which one is, this is the big purple line is 150-day Bollinger Band median, right? So you can consider it as equivalent to 150-day EMA, right? DMA, daily moving average, right? Alta Beauty, Charter Communication. So here we are seeing 1 month trend. So suppose Welltower. Okay, so suppose just this for just educational purpose. So suppose I want to add Welltower, right? So this is how we can add. So just add. So one stock is added, right? Then you can just check your watch lists over daily. If you like it, then you can invest. Okay, then let's Nasdaq. this exchange, right, it went up, then it was flattish, but like it the saying goes like the table always win, right? So the casino player always wins. So the stock exchanges are the tables for us, right, for the investors. So the table always win. So we can see that there is a sharp rebound in Nasdaq. So let's say we can add Nasdaq. We are adding Nasdaq here. Okay, let's no, this is a strong in downtrend, we can avoid it. Key Technologies 100% return in last 60 months and trend. So let's see what is the Key Technologies share USA. AI driven demand for test equipment solutions. So this is also one of the Key Technologies. So US Key Techno food equipment. Okay, food equipment. So if you're bullish, okay, so there's innovating something with AI. Key Technologies, right? So food equipment business, they're innovating something with AI. So we can add just for demo purpose, right? So Key Technologies also I'm adding into our, okay. Then we can create suppose another watch list. So like this, US stocks watch list 2. So this can be based on your market cap also, right? So sorry, so you can add some small cap, some mid cap stocks, right? So let's so I will just show that how using the grid view we can quickly scan the whole market, right? Let's click US here and okay. So as we saw that these are the good performing stocks, we can also see the worst performing stocks here. So $60 months rank and worst performing. See, so these are the stocks which are not so good performing, right? So this is how you can use the grid view, right? So you can just quickly see all the see here you can see the volume also. So in Dell there is some very recent some volume activity, right? So you can consider some big player might have entered here, right? So you can consider Dell, right? So you can create different kind of watch list based on volume activity and all, right? Here there is some selling CTRA, you can see the huge sell candle price also crashed, so there is some bad news. Let me see here. There was some good news. Biogen, this is bio-related company. Some purchase happened in HP here. Some volume activity was there. Then MCore. So like that, you have to scan. And just quickly scan within 5 minutes. 5 minutes is like we can say there is structural bull market in the US stocks, right? So here you can see if you have this stock in your portfolio, then you can check the fundamentals, that why the technicals have deteriorated. Then you can make the next buy or sell decision. Also see, using this chart we can simply guess which stock is volatile. You can see here the Bollinger Band is very wide, so volatility is high, stock is going up down. But see, if you see the top ones, see the Bollinger Band is like very narrow. The volatility is here because there was some selling happened, because some people don't have like much belief. They're saying AI is bubble, so the crash, then again recovery, and we have to see, right? So you can explore all our functionalities. I'm not discussing everything, but see here these are the like now flattish kind of chart. See, only 9% return, right? We have 7% return in healthcare and all. Prudential Finance 12%. Volatility is quite high. Now these all are flattish kind of chart, right? You can see whatever is your interest, you can select. So here you can get ideas for shorting also. See, we have to scan these also. You cannot say that I will not scan. See here there is a rally coming. So why this rally is happening? If there is some like fundamental shift in the underlying business, so you can check that, right? Why this is rallying, you can check whether this is just a range bound activity or a fresh rally. You have to check it, and then you can make your investment decision, right? So yeah, so these all are like stocks which are in structural downtrend, right? So you can avoid these. So yeah, so earlier we were seeing which were in the uptrend. Now then we saw the flattish kind of stocks, and then these are the downtrend stocks, right? Yeah, so we have come to the end of 500 stocks. Okay, so you can do portfolio analysis also. You can add the stocks to your portfolio, right? This separate from watch list. You can also so suppose see I have created, so the portfolio stocks you can just quickly scan, right? You can just quickly scan these stocks. It's for your ready reference. See, the SanDisk chart is very good. The Apple chart is also good. You can also take notes. So suppose so suppose you are finding the SanDisk chart. Okay, good. So you can add just fresh momentum buying, right? So in the note section it has appeared. You can see SanDisk, right? So you can see that at what date you have written what, and then whatever you have written, or you can like whether this is happening or not. Suppose in some stocks you can write like wait for confirmation. You wrote wait for confirmation, and then the confirmation came. Then you saw, okay, this is how you analyzed it before, and this is what the present situation is. Then you can take your decision. Okay, so thank you. So you can just subscribe to blinkchart.com. You can buy our plans, right? So here you can see the fundamentals also, but this is broadly like for technical chart analysis. Within just few minutes you can scan the whole market visually, right? This is a charting tool. It's a chart viewing tool for with ready-made indicator applied, right? So suppose you can just clearly see here, so there is a like sharp buying, right? And with volume, right? So it exceeded its Bollinger Band also. RSI also peaked out, so there can be a buying opportunity, and it happened, right? So I hope you have some basic knowledge in technical analysis, and then you can, so we have all the indicators, volume, everything. So within just few minutes you can do your whole time consuming task, right? Okay, thank you.